Hello guys, in this video we are going to create a calculator with Python. In the program, we are going to ask the user to enter the first num operator and second num. Then the program will print the answer. It's a very helpful program for beginners. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. For this video, I am using Visual Studio Code as a code editor. So, let's create a new Python file as calculator.py. Now let's start writing code. First and foremost, we are going to make a variable as first num. Then we are assigning it a floating point user input. In this user input, I am asking the user to enter the first value. After this, let's make a variable as an operator. We are assigning it user input, and this user input will take string value as a default input. In this, we are going to ask the user to enter the operator. After this, let's make a variable as the second num. And in this, we are going to ask the user to enter the second value. Now, let's use the if statements. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, go and watch them first. If the operator is equals to a string value plus, then we are going to print the sum of the first and the second num. We are using the equals operator for value equality. We use the single equals operator to assign a new value to it. So, in this, we don't want to assign a new value to it. That's why we are using the equals operator. Let's run our program and see what happens. As you can see, the program is asking to enter the first value. Let's enter a random number. Like number 40. Then it's asking to enter the operator. Let's enter the plus operator that we have just used in our program to do additions. Now, let's enter the second value as 30. As you can see, 70 is printed because it is the sum of 40 and 30. So, now let's make it for subtraction as well. If the user enters the minus operator, then the program will return the difference between the first and the second value. Let's run the program and see what happens. 83 minus 74 is 9. And if the user enters an asterisk, then we are going to multiply the first and the second value. In Python, we use an asterisk to multiply two values. If none of these conditions are true, then we are going to simply divide both the values. We are using the else statement here. Our program is ready to use, so let's run this program. Let's start with subtraction. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Now let's do the multiplication. We can use a division operator as well. Also, we can use floating point numbers to do arithmetic operations, because we have used the float function in the first and the second num variables. So, this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned how to create a beautiful calculator. You can use your ideas to improve this code. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share this video with everyone. Love you all, guys. Thanks for watching.